a song we sing that leaves us always burning. All them things that we yet to find. Singing.
Yeah. We have a pretty interesting development going on board Latitude at the moment. I went for a surf all day today as normal. Poor Mari was stuck in the boat. I come back and she was feeling sick, really sick. She started vomiting. So we motored to a nearby island and we went to pick up the mooring line, and I came back and she was passed out in the cockpit with her arm all tangled in the helm.
Sorry for fainting on you, babe.
You gave me a fright.
Oh my god, my neck hurts. I fell in such an awkward position. Neck and foot and my ankle. I can't remember anything. I just remember you saying hold it, and then when I say reverse, you reverse, and that's it. The next thing I remember is just you picking me up from the floor.
We googled the symptoms of a weird fish disease called ciguatera, and Mari has a lot of the symptoms. We think that is what she might have, which would be incredibly unlucky. The strangest thing of all is that we both ate the same fish.
Barriga de mendigo. Brazilians will understand. Barriga de mendigo.
Which means the belly of the homeless man. Which means I can eat anything, which is pretty much true.
Well, I'm feeling a little better this morning. Still feeling quite weak and a little bit tired, but not feeling sick. Not feeling those awful muscle pains anymore. So I really want to see this little island. Amdi looks quite pretty. And look at this water. Wow.
Woke up cold one Tuesday. I'm looking tired and feeling quite sick. I felt like there was something missing in my day-to-day life. So I quickly opened the wardrobe, pulled out some jeans and a t-shirt that seemed clean, topped it off with a pair of old shoes that were ripped around the seams. And I thought, these shoes just don't suit me. Hey, I put some new shoes on and suddenly everything's right. I said, hey, I put some new shoes on and everybody's smiling. It's so inviting. No short on money but long on time. Slowly strolling in the sweet sunshine, and I'm running late and I don't need an excuse, 'cause I'm wearing my brand new shoes. Woke up late one Thursday and I'm seeing stars as I'm rubbing my eyes, and I felt like there were 2 days missing as I focused on the time. Then I made my way to the kitchen, but I had to stop from the shock of what I found. A room full of all of my friends, all dancing round and round. And I thought, hello new shoes, bye bye blues. Hey, I put some new shoes on and suddenly everything's right.
So while my husband was out looking for surf as usual, I decided to meet the locals. Of all the places we stopped, I never saw anything like this. Amity Island is a marine park, and the fish obviously know it. It's teeming with wildlife. Fish, turtles, sharks, birds. You can almost reach out and touch them.
Leaves me taken over by the outside world.
I feel like I should record this moment because I just had one of the best surfs of my life. I'm not going to tell you where this break is, I'm not even going to tell you what it's called, but it's a 500 meter long right hand wave with pitching sections, barreling sections, flat sections. Oh my god, this is amazing.
And don't think he didn't tell me about it all night. Now I wish I had gone with him, but still, my day was pretty good.
Quit your day job and take a few breaks, not just for sleep or for sanity's sake, but for waters uncharted and the footprints alone. The love of the ladies and the bullshit we so put down the papers, empty those minds, turn up the music, time to unwind. Got some time on my side, the world to see. It's just a few of my friends and a song that we sing.
We have been anchored at this most beautiful spot and had the best surf yesterday, but now it's time to go. There's some islands further south of here and a little bay called Bay de Prony, so we're going to take advantage of the weather you can't surf in, i.e. lots of wind and cloudy, to sail to Bay de Prony today. Most annoying day sailing ever. Should have been 15 to 20 knots. We should be flying along at 8, 9, 10 knots. But it has changed from northeast to southeast to west to east, all around the circle. 17 knots, 18 knots, then down to 0. Sails in, sails out. Engine on, engine off. Yep, it really was one of those days. But Bay de Prony is a sight to see. The vegetation down south is lush, vibrant green, palm trees and sandy beaches. But look at that landscape. The ground here is rich in iron and nickel, and of course no one stopped to think about the beautiful environment.
Huge scars cut into the earth as multinational companies reap what they need from the ground. Can you believe 25% of world's nickel comes from here? Big fella, coming fast.
The wind whipped up right at the end and Latitude took off. A great way to arrive at any port.
Straight ahead is the islands that we're planning to spend the night tonight, and apparently they have moorings, so that'll be good. We spotted a nasty storm brewing, so in the end found a little cove for ourselves.
I think that little corner will do us nicely. Looks like Brazil has come to the boat again.
That is going to become what we call tapioca, and is very versatile kind of pancake, like similar to pancake.
Except delicious.
Very.
Once you get the tapioca flour just right, all it needs is heat from the pan to melt it all together. You'll never ask for pancakes again.
When it's done, butter. Ham and jam.
If you've been to Bay de Prony, you know the drill. The Red Devil.
Some mud. We were warned that the bay here is covered in red mud. As we can see, the hills are red, and that it can stain the boat if you don't clean straight away, so denim is onto it. Plenty of work for the deckhand today. We heard about a beautiful little bay with some trails and waterfalls, so off we went. Looks like a few others had the same idea. To get here, we went in the harbour, and it gets narrow, and it's meant to be very protected, and we heard people even put their boats here when they know there's a cyclone coming. So I don't think we'll be worrying tonight.
The bakery is stepping up to the next level.
Let's do it.
This is my assistant here. Her name is Mara. Today, I'm making pizza.
And I'm making brownies.
You're making brownies, but don't get in the way of the potato.
Alright.
Don't question me.
Alright.
You're my assistant today.
Fresh out of the oven. Brownie.
After surf brownie. That means for after surf, not now. Not now.
Oh my god, give me some.
Made pizza.
With French wine.
With a tasty little Bordeaux. We're really doing it tough out here on the boat.
We had a rough map and all day ahead of us.
Somehow, it always ends up with me rowing.
We're tied to this tree here.
Okay. First mission, find the waterfall. Ei, vai ficar só olhando, esperando eu cair, né? Waiting for me to fall.
I would never want my beautiful wife to fall in the water, but if you did do it while I was filming, it would be pretty cool. Legend has it, once you enter the spooky ruins of ultimate death, you'll be cursed forever. You went inside.
Baby, we already got married.
Is it enough of a curse for you? What do you see?
I see that we took the wrong way and we didn't find the waterfall.
This is not a waterfall. Buggered if we could find the waterfall actually. But did it matter? Not at all. Oh shit! Oh shit! Look out! Spot for a nude swim.
Swimming is his Brazilian sungas. Next mission, find the hot springs. Head. Straight is good. Starboard, starboard.
Yep, more rowing. You are starting to see the pattern here, right?
I don't think we'll make it to the wharf. It's very warm.
Not warm enough for you though, is
Not warm enough. Hot water coming up. Let's see what's the dinghy situation. Look how shallow it gets.
Fine. Chili's not hot at all.
Someone nearly collapsed after having 1.5 chili that I said it was extremely hot, and it's saying it's not hot at all.
It's not hot. Not hot at all. Chili's.
Was hiccuping here non-stop for 5 minutes.
There you go. World's hottest chilies. Shit, they're hot.
Dangerous.
Yeah, they're great.
To all the people around the world, this is the teaching. Wanna hear?
Bay de Prony has been a blast, but we are now heading deeper south into the island chain that is wild and uncharted, and we can't wait.
Come and tell me that don't right. I just burn it and force it on the right. And then them come in and them look and down it. Them say ain't that it dreadlocks, so where you come from? You must have 2 stick of sensei under your tongue. I said no officer Lord, you must be mad. He only smokes cigarettes and strictly shag. Oh whoa, see, whoa.
1, 2. 1, 2. We hope our videos will inspire you to chase your own dreams and adventures. If you liked ours, please hit subscribe. Bons ventos! Good winds!